Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Then, acquire the game from a trusted digital platform like Steam or Battle.net. Once purchased, proceed to download the game client, which is typically a file of several gigabytes, preparing it for the installation process. After downloading, find the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to begin the installation wizard. You'll need to accept the license agreement to continue. Next, select where you want to install the game. Ensure the chosen drive has at least 15 gigabytes of free space. The installation might take some time, depending on your system's speed. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can optimize your experience. Adjust graphic settings like resolution and texture quality to match your PC's capabilities, aiming for a smooth frame rate. Personalize your controls by setting mouse sensitivity and remapping key bindings. Don't forget to fine-tune audio levels for an immersive sound experience. With your settings configured, you're ready to play. Choose between the engaging single-player campaign or jump into multiplayer action. In multiplayer, you can join public matches or create private lobbies with friends. Experiment with different weapons and attachments to find your preferred loadout. Remember, practice is key to improving your skills and dominating the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.